Hey guys, hope you are doing really well. So today I'm going to show you how you can execute Linux commands in Windows using Windows built-in subsystems for Linux. Okay, so for that, what you need to do is you need to enable certain things in your system. So we have to go to control panels first. So we should open control panel. Just type in control panel over here. Control panel, okay. Control panel came up. So just click on open. Okay, so in other systems you can do start settings control panels, then this control panel screen will be opened. Okay, then you have to click on programs, then you have to click on programs and features. So understood, right? First you have to click on control panel, then programs and features. Then what you can do is you can click on this link, turn Windows feature on or off. So once you click on that, you can see this Windows feature dialog box opened. So you can scroll it down. So we have to check this. So by default it will be unchecked. So we have to check this Windows subsystem for Linux. Then click on OK. So once you click on OK, since I have already installed this and I have already checked it, so it will not show me anything, but for you it is going to take some time because it is going to apply those changes in your system. Okay, after then it might ask you for a restart. Okay, so you can restart your system. So once you restart your system, the changes will be applicable to all the areas. So what you can do is then you can go to Microsoft Play Store. Okay, so Microsoft Store, you have to click on start, click on Microsoft Store. This is how Microsoft Store look like. We have to click on Linux. Okay, enter. You have to search for Linux, then it will give us all this Linux flavor applications. So but they are like Kali Linux, then Ubuntu, then Oracle Linux, Windows subsystems for Linux. But I would suggest you to click on Ubuntu and install this Ubuntu. So once you click on Ubuntu, so you will see install here instead of launch, install here, because I have already installed. For me it is showing launch. So once you click on install, the process will take some time, maybe 2-3 minutes to install Ubuntu, and post installation it will ask you for a username and password. If you have username, if you want to give username and password, you can definitely specify. It's up to you. If you don't give also, that's not a problem. You can press enter, then it is going to complete the installation. Then you can launch the Ubuntu. So on the first time when you click on install, it might ask you for your Windows account. If you have any Windows account created previously, you can give that account details here, or else if you do not have, you can simply close that dialog box. Okay, so it will start installation after that. Okay, so don't worry about Windows account. If you have, give it. If you don't have, don't specify it. Then okay, the installation will complete. After that, as I told you, it will ask you for a username and password. If you want to give username and password, you give there, and remember those username and password. If you don't want, then it is not mandatory. Then you have to click from here, launch from here. So I'm launching from here now. So it is Ubuntu is opened. It looks like this. Okay, if you don't want to do it from here, just close it. It can after installation, you can go to start menu, click on start button, and then you have to click on Ubuntu. So now here it is. Okay, so let's type in some commands to check whether it is working or not. I've just typed in cal. It has shown me calculator, right? So cal command is used to show you the current calculator, sorry, calendar, not calculator, that's my mistake. So cal command shows you the calendar, that is, see, now the date is 16th over here, here also same 16th. Okay, I can type in date. Now you can see 16th July, Saturday. Alright, So I can create a file in Windows, in Linux. Cat, there is some issue in my keyboard, maybe that's a problem. Cat, okay, cat test file, okay, this is my test file. Do a control Z. Okay, so now we have to check whether the file is created or not. So if you want to create a file, the command is cat greater than test file. If you want to see the content, so let me first clear it. If you want to see the content of the file, then cat space test file. This is the file which you have created. See, it is showing you the output. This is my test file. Okay, cat space test file. Otherwise I can see it like this, test file maybe. Okay, there are two commands. Cat space test file will show you all the contents that the file stores, file has, or cat less than test file also give you the same result. Suppose I want to type in something else in the existing file, I can do another line, enter, control Z. Okay, so again cat test file. I'll explain these commands one more time. So this is to ensure whether this ubuntu subsystem is working or not. Windows subsystem, see, it has typed in. If you do a double greater than, it is going to append. Okay, it is going to append your content into the next line. Whatever you are writing, it will be added in the next line. So it is a append command, cat double greater than, cat space will show you the content of the file. Okay, cat less than will also show you the content of the file. These two commands has the same use. Okay, this is it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Okay, if you like my videos, comment, like, share and subscribe so that I can upload more and more videos. Thanks, guys.